Hello, everyone. My name is Stephanie, and welcome to today's lesson. Okay, so if you've been following my lessons, then you will be able to enter the data just like I have on the screen. All right. So before we begin, today I'll be showing you how to do a little formatting and then some formulas you can work with in Excel. All right. So if you are placed in charge of anything at all, I think this will help you to do the analysis afterwards. All right. So the first thing I would like to show you is how to align your test. I like to leave my test on the left and then the numbers on the right. Okay. But if you don't want this, it's very simple. How do you do this? Remember to select a column. Can you see my pointer arrow now? Just click to select the column and then you go to the alignment group, right? The first one is says will allow you to align your text to the left. The second one, align your text to the center. And finally, align your text to the right. So choose anyone you like. Okay, can you see? All right. Another thing I would like to also show you, if you notice, this is quantity and it's numbers. And then the unit price, it's supposed to be kind of money. All right. So I'll be showing you how to select your Naira sign or your dollar sign or whichever currency you are working with. All right. So just select, okay. And then you go to the number group, select this, and then more accounting formats. All right. I'll select currency and then I'll go to the symbol and I'll select the symbol I want to work with. Okay, I like to work with this one. Yeah, and then you click OK. Very good. Can you see the hash sign kind of? What this means is that the column size is not big enough to contain the data you've typed into that column. So all you need to do is just to enlarge the column. It's just to enlarge the column and you can see everything is showing up again. All right. Now, the next thing I would like to show you is how to do a little formatting to your work. Okay. There is something we call cell styles. How do you do this? Just select the area where your work is in. Go to cell styles. It's in your styles group. Go to the cell styles. Can you see? You can select anyone you like. Okay. Another thing you can do is to add borders to the work area. How do you do this? Go to your fonts group. Are you following? Click on all borders and then select all borders. Okay. Very good. Now, there is something else you can do just to make your work very beautiful. You can fill up a cell or a group of cells. All right. So I want to change the color of this by filling it up with a color. All right. So how do you do this? Select the cells that you want to change the color, and then you go to the font group, select the fill color. Just select any color that works best for you. Okay. So this is the color I want to use. Remember, any color you're filling with must be a color that wouldn't make your data faint or invisible. So make sure your font color is visible to allow your readers see what you're writing. Are you following? Now, finally, I'll be showing you how to calculate your total amount. How to calculate your total amount. Of course, if you're a mathematician, you know that the total amount would be the quantity multiplied with the unit price. Okay? So in mathematics, we call multiplication product. All right. So to do any formula, for any formula, inbuilt formula in PowerPoint, all you need to do is go to formulas, click on the formulas tab. Okay. And then you see, if you've been working with this particular formula, of course you'll find it in your recently used. So if not, just go to more functions. If it's a mathematical formula, click on the math. Okay. Okay, so I've been working with it, so of course it's in my recent use. So I'll just click on products. Now, when you click on products, it will require you to enter your function argument. What do you want to multiply? Okay, so what I want to multiply is B2 and C2. Are you following? So for my number one, I'll click on B2. Okay, and then for my number two, I'll click on C2. That's all you have to do, and you click OK. Automatically, that gives you the answer to that. All right. Once again, remember we are dealing with currency here. So I would also go and change this to currency. Remember how we did the last one. Go to where you have the dollar sign, more accounting formats, select the symbol or select currency, select the symbol. I hope you're still following. Select the symbol, okay, and then you click on OK. So that changes back to Naira, okay? Now, the beauty of Excel, you don't have to go to the next cell to repeat the same formula. All you have to do is click on the answer you already have, which is in cell D2, and then place your cursor, the pointer, just by the right of the cell, the down part of the cell. Can you see? Look, you will see if you place your cursor well, your pointer changes to a perfect cross sign. When you achieve that, just can you see it? When that is achieved, please left click, hold it, and then you scroll down to the last place. Wow, automatically all other cells will take up the function of the first cell and do their calculations automatically. Are you following? Very good. Now, the next thing we'll be doing now is the total figure. So I'll just type total. I'll just type total. And then, how do you calculate this? We have shortcuts. The shortcut is control equal to, okay, but I'll show you the real the due process, like a friend will always say. So just go to formulas. Okay, we have the auto sum. Click on sum. Okay, so automatically Excel will select the cells it feels you want to calculate. All right, remember sum means addition. Okay, so please make sure you go back and reconfirm to be sure the range is what you want to calculate. If that is correct, just click the enter key and automatically your total score will be calculated. I hope we are still following. So I would like to make it bold. So you go back to your home page. Can you see I have selected here? Okay. And then I'll just click on bold. You can even decide to change the font color just to lay emphasis. Okay, isn't this looking beautiful now? You can also decide to change this. You can decide to also make this bold, kind of. Okay, so thank you very much for listening. Please get to work. Remember, you can always send me your questions, and I promise, as always, to give you a constructive feedback. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye.